Puzzled by how some plants reach amazing heights without legs? Don't worry, it's not magic, just some clever tricks. Let's break it down. Climbers are special plants that need support to grow tall. Unlike trees, they don't have strong trunks. Instead, they use things like walls, sticks, or even other plants to climb upwards, chasing sunlight. Some climbers, like money plant and pea, have twisting stems or special structures called tendrils. These tendrils wrap around anything nearby, like tiny plant arms. Other climbers, like ivy, use roots or sticky pads to grip surfaces as they go up. Why do they climb? It helps them reach sunlight faster without spending energy on thick stems. Pretty smart, right? So next time you see a plant winding up a fence, remember, it's just using its own clever moves to reach for the sky. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of nature.